Hi, I'm Chris Gumas. Welcome back to Ruland's Collar and Coupling Corner, the only weekly show that answers your shaft collar and coupling questions. This week's question comes to us from a user in Des Moines, Iowa. They write, do you have a 1.5-inch two-piece collar that can be welded? Yes, any of our standard steel collars can be welded. We use 1215 lead-free steel as our standard material. The lead-free characteristic is a benefit when welding and not common for other collar manufacturers that typically use 12L14. The primary drawback to 1215 is it's not as easy to weld as other steels such as 1018. We generally recommend the user take sandpaper or some other abrasive to remove the black oxide coating at the weld point for a better surface. Mountable shaft collars are made with a flat on the top and bottom of the OD, which is an added benefit if you are going to be welding the collar to a hinge or a plate. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.